Oh boy everyone, my name is Vince. Welcome to Cash Dozer. Guys, this is another app that promises real life riches. Okay, apparently you can make big money on Cash Dozer. The only problem is, okay, and what I discovered after downloading this app, it's that none of this is real, everyone. Like, you're looking at something right now, you're looking at all this stuff dropping in front of us. You got like the coins, you got the money. Apparently we can make big money by actually using Cash Dozer. You can win Amazon gift cards, PayPal cards, all this crazy stuff. But as I said, the only problem is, if you actually look at the fine print, guys, this app only allows you to cash out in the sense of winning a sweepstakes. So, yes, that is right. You have to win a raffle to actually get any rewards. It doesn't matter really what the currency is that you have. But as you can see, you can spend real life money on Cash Dozer, okay? Real life money for cash. And you can get some power-ups here as well. I mean, I'm not doing anything. I'm not buying anything in Cash Dozer at all. No way. But the app promises real life rewards. And the only way you're going to win real life rewards is if you enter a sweepstakes. Which I'm not up to yet at all. I've only just started. So there it is, everyone. Unlock at level 3. I'm still on level 1 right now. You do have scratch cards as well, apparently, here, interesting enough. I did get told, why do I play the apps that are obviously scams? Do you know what I mean? Like, why am I not showing apps that work? And that's because, everyone, I haven't found apps that legitimately will reward you with real-life money. Do you know what I mean? Like, if I had apps that will reward me, I'd show you. But all I'm finding on the Play Store are just apps that want to rip you off out of real life money. All we're doing right now is earning the developers money by playing these knockoff, rip-off, scam apps. It's a crazy, crazy time. If you guys were keen on giving Cash Dozer a try, hopefully I've just saved you a lot of time and a lot of effort, everyone. Don't get sucked into this, seriously. Like, you cannot be fooled. This is not a legitimate app, guys. I'm sorry to say. Now, I'm just about to knock all these coins, hopefully, over here. I actually... Let's see. Does it tell me how far I am into level... No, it doesn't even tell me how far I am into the level. I'm almost out of coins here as well, funny enough. Come on, knock over those coins. We're so close to knocking over those coins. There we go. Come on. Come on. Just remember, of course, to hit that like and subscribe button, guys. I'm posting scam videos every single day. We're almost up to 50 scam videos on the channel already. That's how many apps I've discovered that are just pure rip-offs and scam. Coin Dozer Master. Here's another one. I'm going to download this. I want to download this app, everyone. We're going to be giving this app a try, okay? Coin Dozer Master. Just remember this. Check it out on the channel, okay? It's going to be another scam app. For real. It has to be. Let's close that ad anyway down. Okay, there we go. So we just got 20 coins from watching that ad. It's just ridiculous. It's absolutely ridiculous, dude. The problem is you run out of tokens, okay? Look at this. Watch a video to save this prize. No, I don't care about that. Yeah, you watch video ads just to push the coins over. Like, look, I still haven't pushed the coins over. Come on, dude. Dude, it's literally on the edge. What is this? Really? No! Oh my lord! They put the ad button right where you're going to be tapping. It is such a cheap move. It literally is so cheap, everyone. Like, if you guys don't know what I mean, they put the ad button when you run out of tokens, because obviously you're going to be spamming your screen. But then they put the button right there to watch an ad, so it just instantly comes up. You don't have time to react. So of course you're going to watch one of these ads, dude. I'm going to install this app as well. I'm literally going to install all these apps. Legitimately, I want to see how legit these apps are. I'll be reviewing these on my channel. I can almost guarantee they're all fake. All of them are just rip-offs, bro. When you see ads like this, they have to be paying top dollars to get their ads to you. So you can almost guarantee they're rip-offs, everyone, okay? I've just earned 20 coins again here, though. What a situation, man. These Cash Dozer, Coin Dozer apps, they're crazy, bro. Absolutely crazy. And the fact is they're growing like wildfire because they look so legit. Like, this looks like a pretty good app. Here we go. We're finally going to knock this down. Finally, dude. Coin attack. Level 2. Collect. Apparently all I got then was 5 coins. Surely not. No way. Prop ready. Special chips. Okay, props. I just used a prop. Level 3. I can now enter the sweepstake. Collect. You've unlocked sweepstakes. Okay, I want to enter. Here we go. Here we go. Here's the real life money stuff. Okay. Well done. Enter weekly sweepstakes. Chance to win. Go now. Okay. I'm ready. How do I get out? Yep. Got a fortune wheel. The wheel of fortune, ladies and gentlemen. Here we go. What have I got? Coins. Of course. Of course it's coins. What do you think it would be? You really think they're going to give me an Amazon gift card, bro? Seriously. Play 2 fortune wheels. No, I don't care. Alright, so now we can actually do the sweepstakes at least. So let's do this. Spin, already done that. Daily sweepstakes. I want to enter. How do I enter? Log in every 2 hours. Okay, I can't claim any of that. Complete daily quest. Play fortune wheels to get started. Okay. Why am I watching an ad for? Why am I watching an ad for? Oh, man. Apps like this just kill me. Absolutely kill me, dude. Seriously, what is this app as well? Plinko Master. I'll play this as well. I'll give Plinko Master a try. I'm downloading all these apps, guys, that they're recommending me, okay? Legit, I want to do it. I just want to see how much of a scam all these apps are. Alright, we're back again, everyone. Good. Quest refresh. I didn't want to refresh my quest. App, what are you thinking? Why would I want to do that? What's jackpot? Moving items into the moving collection tank for jackpot. Okay, cool. Either way, I have 130 something coins here, guys. So let's start spamming those coins. I mean, why not, right? I'm just wondering where should I actually place the coins before they all fall off the side here. Just spamming them literally right now. Here we go, jackpot. Okay, one landed in jackpot. I need to get 20 in there. I need to get 20 in there, really? Coin attack, triple coin. Okay, there's a roulette wheel. A roulette wheel just dropped. Right, that little green bar at the bottom was an app apparently, everyone. Like an ad for an app. Man, what a situation this is. Yeah, I want to spend real life money on Cash Dozer, dude. Seriously, app developers, what are you thinking, dude? Come on, man. Got some cash. I'm on 8 cash right now. Reward. I can't enter the sweepstakes yet. I'm going to waste all my coins here, guys. Going to see what I can get out of it, and then I'm going to wrap it up pretty much, I think. There's no way that this is legit. Can I use a prop at least? I'll just use a prop. Okay. 25, 5. It gives me the weakest one. Yeah, that's great, app. Thanks for that. Play on. No thanks. It's making me play on. So I have to use my cash no matter what. Red, 40, 30, 20. I like this little mini game claim. I'm going to claim that now. Tap to open. There we go. I've got a couple of items there to drop in. What an app this is, dude. This is Cash Dozer, everyone. This is it. This is what I mean, it looks pretty. It does look pretty, but it's a joke. It does not give you rewards like it promises. I'm sorry, guys. You're not going to win real life money out of this. The only way you're going to win it is if you actually win the sweepstakes, and who knows if that's real. Like, who knows if the sweepstakes is real, legit. I just used a prop there, by the way. But as I said, the game's very pretty, aesthetically. But it's a joke. It's a scam. It has to be. Like, it just has to be. There's an ad out of nowhere, by the way. Don't know, man. Don't know. Either way, everyone, thank you so much for watching. I hope you all did enjoy. Please remember to check out my channel for more scam videos here. I'm going to download this app as well, Rolling Dice. And yeah, we'll give it a shot. Please remember to share to your friends and check out my channel for more scam videos. Catch you around, guys. See you later.